tell you what though, just for me, I'm just going to leave a couple of mics open. We'll leave our two guests open, Lizzie and Lynn. Yeah. Heather, we're going to leave you open as well, young lady, because I haven't heard your voice for a long time.
Oh, you may not want to again.
Not at all. Lizzie, and so we are going to be accompanied by Lizzie, Heather, and Lynn. Here we go. Night, night, everybody. Keep well. Here we go.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause everything's gonna be alright.
Don't worry
about a thing, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile at the rise of sun. Three little birds perched on my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melody children true. Singing, it's my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melody children true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Sing, don't worry about a thing,
Well done, everybody.
'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright.
Last one.
Sing and don't worry about a thing,
Well done.
'cause every little thing's gonna be
That sounded great at the end.
Well done, everybody. Well done. Thanks.
Thanks, Nigel.
Thanks, Nigel.
Lynn, thank you, guys.
Nigel, wait.
Lynn,
Nigel, wait.
I can't see it. I can't read it, Lynn.
No. I spoke to Beryl today,
Oh, okay.
and she said that her and Avril and Mary sent their love to you.
Oh,
Good,
fantastic.
lovely.
Well
Well,
done.
all the choir as well.
Thank you, Lynn. And
Thank
thank you for your
you.
singing. Well done, Lizzie, as well, you.
Yeah, lovely, Lizzie. It's
And,
beautiful.
Thanks.
That was lovely.
Very
Thanks very
good.
much. Night, night, everybody. God bless.
Good
Hi
night. God
everybody,
bless.
God bless you.
Bye.
Nice to see you,
Bye
Heather.
Kim, good night.
And you,
Bye,
good
take
night.
care.
Thank you.
Stay
Bye. God
safe.
bless.
Good night to
Bye.
the gerbils. Are the gerbils still here?
Yeah.
No, they've oh, the gerbils.
Can
Let's
you
have
hear
a
me? Is it
Oh, I
still
can hear
doing
them.
that?
There's not yet.
Paul, we're
I
back.
don't
The
know how to
gerbils
turn
have
it off.
gone.
Oh, they're not
They
doing
gone
it
now?
now.
The gerbils have gone. You've shot them. Have you
No
shot them?
gerbils.
Come on, now it's time to go home.
Gone.
We want the
Cheers,
gerbils.
Nigel.
We like the gerbils. Take care.
I'll keep them fed. I'll keep feeding them.
Night, Karen. Lovely to see you,
Night.
Karen. See you, Pauline.
Good
Bye,
Kim,
bye.
night
Bye,
Kim,
Lynn.
night Nigel.
Night,
God bless
Nicole.
you
Night,
guys.
Nicole.
Stay safe.
Bye, Nicole.
God
Bye.
bless everybody.
Bye. Take
Yeah.
care.
There.
Bye bye. Take care, Lynn. Bye, Andy.
Take care, Nicole. See you.
Good
Karen.
drumming. Oh, it looks like the teddy bear's drumming, wasn't it?
Yeah, the teddy. Yeah, that was cool.
Didn't look like
I like
that.
your hat, Andy. I do like your hat, mate. You look the real deal there, fella.
What's his drumming?
You are the real deal. Take care. Bye. Night, night.
Bye bye, Paulie.
Night.
God bless.